That's not as bad. I thought it would be more. Maybe I lost some weight. I don't know. We'll see.
You know what those seats weigh?
I'm not 100% sure what they weigh. All right, guys, we're gonna take the front seat out and we're gonna see exactly how much it weighs. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we are headed out to Mark's to put the car back on the scales to find out how much the car weighs now since we've installed the Hellhorse Performance twin turbo kit onto the 20 Mustang GT. Now, last time I was out there, we were naturally aspirated and on the stock wheels, and we weighed 3688 with about a 3/4 tank of gas without me in it. Now we're going back and we got the twin turbo kit installed. We've got the drag wheels on. So we're going to find out exactly how much the car weighs and race weight, and kind of get an idea on how much weight we picked up by putting the twin turbos on. Leave your guesses down below. Do not cheat. Go leave them down below now and then see how close you are. But last time I was out there, we weighed 3688 with the stock wheels, 3/4 tank of fuel. Now we got the twin turbo kit on, the drag wheels on, and we got between a half a tank and 3/4 tank of fuel. Let me know down below, guys, your guesses on how much it weighs. All right, guys, so we are here with Mark, and he is going to weigh the car. Last time he was here, I talked about a while ago that we weighed 3688 without me in it with 3/4 tank. Now, that was on the factory 18-inch wheels and everything else stock, naturally aspirated. Now we have the twin turbo kit, and we're on the drag wheel. So we're going to see exactly how much it weighs in this form. So, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, guys, so we're gonna pull up onto the scales and then we will see. We'll go ahead and weigh, since I'm in the car, we'll get the weight with me in the car first. Don't know if I want to tell everybody how much I weigh, but we good? All right.
3911.
3911 with me in it. That's not as bad. I thought it would be more. Maybe I lost some weight. I don't know. We'll see. So how much does it weigh without me in it?
3708.
3708 without me in it. It weighed 3688 with 3/4 tank of fuel. I've got between a half and a 3/4 tank of fuel now. And that was on the stock wheel, so now we got the drag wheels.
Yep.
So the turbo kit's not as heavy as I thought it would be.
Probably 60 pounds on wheels. What do you think?
I probably lost 50 to 60 pounds on the wheels, give or take a couple pounds. So you're looking, we probably added about 75 pounds with the turbo kit, which is not bad at all because I've put a blower on and picked up more weight than that. So not bad at all. How's the distribution looking?
You added a lot more to the nose, so it was 54% on the nose.
Yeah. There you go, guys. 3709 without me in it and 3911 with me in it. So that gives away my weight right there. And I weigh last night.
202 pounds.
I am. I'm about 201, 202. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to, if you notice, I'm drinking if you're in my lives, I'm drinking the Mountain Dew Zeros. Look, I even got, look, see, I'm drinking water right now. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying to lose weight. Maybe by next season, we'll be down to like 175, 180, and that'll help out too. But there you go, guys. 3709 race weight. And this is pretty much what when I was at the drag strip, I was full tank of gas. So you take, that's about, and all that stuff stays in the car when I race.
Oh, it is?
No, you're good. You're good. So what is that? How much weight was that?
5 pounds.
5 pounds. See, I leave, that's my camera bag with my stuff in it, so I always leave that stuff in.
Show you how easy it is to get weight out. There's another pound.
Almost.
Just with a Mountain Dew bottle.
Mellow yellow. But look at this, guys. All right, so we'll pop the trunk. And guys, all this stuff stays in my car when I'm at the drag strip. Torque wrench, air compressor, nothing. The air compressor's right there. Of course, my helmet's on me, but yeah, I usually that seat. Now that chair will come out. We'll take the chair out, but see, you take the chair out, you take that out, you take that out. So guys, we're stripping weight right now, the easy way. All right, so all that stuff. Let's see if anything else in here, guys. Guys, yes, I leave stuff in my car all the time. Okay.
Take one of them out.
Do what?
You got another helmet in there.
Yeah, so we take one of the helmets out.
Look at that.
3684. By taking that stuff out.
So that puts you at 3885 or 3890. You'd be less than 3,900 pounds.
Yeah. One thing I want to talk about is a lot of people go race their cars and they'll take this seat out, they'll take the back seats out. So just by taking that group of stuff right there out of the car, we dropped the car down from 3708 to 3684. That's how easy it is just to get 20 pounds out of the car. Now, and I'm not fibbing here. That stuff right there and all that stuff is in my car. When I went to the drag strip, everything that's in the car was sitting in the car. I don't drink bottle, whatever, I just leave it in the car.
We'll take a door off if you want to.
Yeah, right. So right now I could put K member on the front, tubular K member on the front, I could put race seats in the car, take my back seats out.
Do you know what those seats weigh?
I'm not 100% sure what they weigh. Well, we need to come down here one day and I bring some tools and we need to strip some of the weight out of the car.
I got tools right there.
You want to see how much it weighs? Takes out?
Take it out.
All right, guys, we're going to take the front seat out and we're going to see exactly how much it weighs without the front seat in there. Yeah, so we got the seat out. Mark is taking full advantage of that. And we are looking at 3664 with the seat out. Now, it was 3711 before and we left the camera bag and all that stuff in there. All that stuff is still in there. We were 3711. Now we're 3665. So we lost 47 pounds just with that seat. You take another 20 pounds from the rest of the stuff I got in there, there's 67 pounds out of the car. Yep. Just like that. So you take the back seats out, there's probably another 20 to 30 there in the back seats. So we could get the car down, this car down into the 3,500 range.
Oh, for sure.
Pretty easy. All right, so that just shows you how easy it is to pull weight out of the car. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna go with a tubular K member in the front because I like the way the car rides, the comfort of the car right now. I know that to be able to run 9s NHRA legal, I'm gonna have to at least put a 4-point cage in the car. And depends on how deep I wanna go is what I'm gonna have to do to the car. So that being said, we will probably more than likely end up eventually with a tubular K member and everything in the car down the road. But for right now,
is the aftermarket hoods any lighter than them?
Yes. You can go to a carbon fiber hood and lose weight on the hood. Not sure if I'm gonna make any passes down the drag strip this weekend with weight out. It's got me thinking. Oh. I could pull the front seat out, the back seats out, because everybody I know that goes to the drag strip on YouTube with these cars, they always pull the front seats and the back seats out. But guys, if you caught my last video, we were at the drag strip. We got into 11 pounds of boost and it was pulling timing. Sent the logs off to Rob. Rob asked me not to run over 10 pounds of boost until we get the car on E85. So we're gonna run 9-10 pounds of boost in the car until we get on E85. But one thing we are gonna do, guys, is we are gonna be running boosting in the car to get just a little more timing on that 9 to 10 pounds of boost to pick this car up just a little bit. And then, like I said, take a little weight out, see what the car will do at the drag strip. We still got to get we are gonna go with the N2MB box. I talked to Rob. He said that he would rather go with the N2MB box over the MSD. So I've been talking to him about that, and he said he would rather me run Boostain over Torco. So he's the one tuning the car, so we're gonna listen to him. We're gonna go with the N2MB box for the 2-step to get it up on the boost, leaving the line, and we're going to go with Boostain. I will have Boostain that's coming up weekend. We'll probably run about 8 ounces in the gas tank, in a full tank. Kind of give it a little extra timing and see what it'll do. Guys, if you're in the West Tennessee area, Mark will weigh your car on these scales. These are race scales. Really nice to be able to see not only your total weight of the car. You see that it said 666 there for a minute. I don't like that. We're going to put a lay an ink pen or something in there.
We'll just zero it out. It don't weigh nothing now.
But anyway, guys, not only that, it's good to see, you know, especially when you're setting the car up, you actually pay it not only to the weight when you're pulling the weight, but where you're pulling the weight from. You know, you want to kind of distribute the weight correctly for whatever you're going to do, whether it's drag strip or whether you're at a road course or whatever. But these,
or to see where you're at compared to everybody else.
Exactly. I will put all of his information down in the description. If you're in the West Tennessee area, hit him up.
25 bucks. We'll just stick it on there and see what it does.
There you go, guys. Anyway, you can't beat that. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. Also, guys, if you caught my last video, and nitrous. Yeah, nitrous with the turbos. Oh my lord, that would be so much fun.
You don't have to worry about spooling it.
No, not at all. Ounce of boost until we get. What's that?
It's what you need.
See, that adds weight to the car.
25 pounds.
Yeah. Maybe one day we'll have nitrous and turbo.
Oh yeah.
And one day, if we get
just a little bit.
Yeah, built engine first. Built engine, built trans, because these turbos can blow that motor to smithereens.
Oh, I'm sure.
So until we go E85, not to run. We're gonna put it in the car now. You keep on. He's wanting me to put nitrous in the car, guys, on top of the turbos. I'm sure a lot of you would love that, but maybe down the road. Until we get. I'm going to film this like 50 times.
We got it, man. We got it.
So, guys, see, I'm telling you guys, he is seriously wanting me to do this, but we're not right now.